So what I'm going to do on some of the freeways here is I actually number the exits. It's a good idea. We go up at exit number 38. Exit 38. Coming up to it. Name of the area is Yatala. And where we're going into.
Take the second exit at the roundabout, Stapylton Jacobswell Road.
Drive-in theatre here. And right next to it is the Batoli Street, which is into the DJR. Here we are, DJR. If you enjoyed this video, you might like to check out this video, or maybe browse this playlist. There are now over 800 videos just like these on this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and we'll let you know when the next video is available. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment and feel free to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.